Hi guys, today we're going to do a new project. We're going to be working with color mixing on the color wheel in our art journals. So for today, you're going to open up to page number 4 and it will be a color wheel, and this is one of our weights. We will start this lesson in class, so we'll start this one together. The first thing you're going to need to do with this page is you're going to find these colors. You're going to find a regular green, regular red, regular yellow, violet, okay, or purple, regular orange, and then just a regular blue. When I say regular, if you look through the crayon box, you might find other ones that are, like for example, this one's yellow-orange. I want to see if you can find just the regular primary colors, which are these right here, and then the secondary colors. Okay. You might have to search a little bit to do this, but as long as we have a few in there, you could share with some people at your table. Okay? So once you have those, you're going to be coloring in the color wheel with those certain colors. So for example, here we have yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and color that in. And then I go to my red, making sure this is the regular red, because there's a few of them that aren't that. Yep, this is a red. And right there. If you can't find a certain crayon, make sure you ask, and I'll try to find one so you can have the right colors when we work with this. And then I'm going to go with blue. Okay, those are the primary colors. I'm going to put those off to the side. Next, we're going to go to the middle. So yellow and red make orange. I'm not going to mix these up today because they don't mix the best with that, but I am going to mix once we get to the middle colors, called the intermediate colors. But for the secondaries, you can use your crayons here. Okay, so there's one. Right here is violet. If you remember how that's mixed, blue and red, that comes together to make a violet. And then green is over here. Okay, so I have my primaries and secondaries in there, and now I'm ready to start mixing to make those in-between colors called intermediate colors. Okay, so for example, I'm going to go ahead and do my yellow-green. So I'm going to put down a little yellow first. And then I'm going to put green on top of it. And I want to do a little bit lighter. I'm not covering up that yellow. I want to still keep a little bit there, so I might have to lighten up with my coloring. And there I have a yellow-green. Okay? Yellow-orange, so I do yellow and orange. Those come together. So I'm going to start with the yellow again. And then I'm going to do orange on top of that. And there we have our yellow-orange. Next we have red-orange. For this one, maybe I'll start with the orange. It's a little bit lighter. And then I'll put the red on top of it. We'll see how that looks. There we go. It's usually a better idea to put the lighter color underneath, because you can always go lighter with your crayon. You don't want to overpower it though when you go on top of it. Okay. There we have a red-orange. Red-violet. I think I'll go with a lighter red here. And then I put my violet on top of it. letting some of that red show through. Okay. Blue violet. Do a little blue here first. I would say violet's probably the darkest color on the whole color wheel. It's the most overpowering color, closest to black. And I'll put that on top of it. That's going to be my blue violet. And then I got a blue green over here. So blue. And then let's see what happens when I put green on top. And this one you can do green first and then blue, but it's really up to you and how you try that out. Some just look a little different as you go. There we go, and then blue green. And there we have a full 12 color wheel. You'll notice as we look at it, if you divide it in half, about right in here we have mostly our warm colors, and on this side is our cool colors. So that's how a color wheel helps us to know which colors go where and which ones look good. Okay. The second part, if you get done with that early, I want you to see if you guys know your primary colors, secondary colors, cool colors, and warm colors. Okay? Fill in the correct color in each one. Come to me and I will check it to see how you guys did on it. And then also for a bonus question, I'm going to have you guys, I want to see if you guys know what the neutral colors are. Neutral colors. Alright, good luck with pages 4 and 5 today.